Yeah, it's blizzarding here in Omaha. I don't have anywhere else to go. I'm set to go back to Vietnam. I'm just gonna walk out here. It's a mess. I go back to Vietnam Thursday. Be back in Vietnam. Ho Chi Minh on Friday. Yeah, it warmed up. I went out and enjoyed a few days of warm weather, got out and walked. And it was the calm before the storm because it is a blizzard. Yeah, it's just covered with snow and slack, ice, terrible. I'm sliding. Yeah, go back in. It's just too slick. You can hear the wind. Just trying to get to the flags. Wow, it's terrible. Well, like I said, I'll be back in Ho Chi Minh Friday. I think around 9 o'clock at night I'll arrive in Ho Chi Minh, which will be tropical, warm weather. So that'll be nice. And Na's already planning a trip to the beach when we get back. So we'll go from blizzard to beach. That's it for now. Bye.